Hello everyone, this is Tan. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable the image hover settings on the down theme. So let's do that. First of all, you can see I have one product, but it doesn't show the image hover. So I go back to Shopify admin and click the online store. After that, I see my current theme. I click the customize button. I click on it, and the top I need to select the collections. I click the collections and then click the default collection. So I ensure the inspector is active. Right now it's passive, and I click it, make it active, and I select these parts, and now I can see these settings here. So you can see there is a show second image hover. So I only need to enable it back like this and save it. And when I go back to collection, refresh the page, and I see the image hover is enabled. So how I can show the variant images as image hover? Let's do that. First of all, I go back here, and there's a one app actually you can show the variants separately on the collection page. Name is stamped variants on collection app. So I go there and go to the general settings, and I select the my collection, which is new collection. I want to separate the variants by color. I see the color is selected. I want to show the title format like product title and variant title, and I just save it and come back to this page and refresh the page, and now I see the variant of my product, but I want to show the variant images first, and then also want to show the second images as hover. So go back to Shopify admin, go to the products page, and I select my product here. So I see my variants has no image. So first of all, I need to set the correct image. For example, I select the navy image for the navy variants and the white image for the white variants. Now I can save it. So in that case, I set already the variant images for per variant, as you can see, but still the image hover is wrong. So how I'm going to fix it? I go back to Shopify admin and upload the second images of variants. Those are my second images. Done. And the important thing is you need to sort them. For example, the first images is set as the first variant images. So I just drag and drop the second image hover for the first variant like this, and the third images is the first image of the variant, and also the next is coming the image hover. So I already order it, so I just come back to collection page, refresh the page, so you can see the image hover are correctly set. So that's all. Thank you for watching.